Welcome to dptutorials. In today's video, we are going to explore a powerful feature in Excel, creating pivot tables from multiple sheets. Pivot tables are an essential tool for analyzing and summarizing large data sets, and being able to pull data from multiple sheets adds another value of flexibility and insight to your analysis. Imagine you have data spread across different sheets or tabs in your workbook like this, and instead of manually consolidating this data, you can use a pivot table to bring it all together and analyze it in one place. Let's follow these steps now. To make the pivot table, first of all, we have to convert all our data into table format. Select the data, then click on Insert button, then click on the Table option, or you can use the Ctrl+T shortcut to make the table. Let's name this range as East. Follow the same step for other sheets and name the ranges as West, North, and South. Now once done, go to the first sheet and place our cursor inside the table and go to Insert button and then click on Pivot Table and tick on the Add this data to the data tables option and make pivot table. Now you can see this East in the right side pivot table fields under the Active tab. If you click on All, you would be seeing all the ranges like East, West, North and South. Now expand the East region and drag the product in the rows section, and from each range drag the revenue fields into the values section. You will see that the revenue values showing right for the first region East and showing same values for other regions, which is nothing but the total value, which means that we have not given the relationships between the tables. Now to fix this, go to Relationships in the Pivot Table Analyze tab, click on New, select West in the table and East in the Relatable Table section, and on the right, select Product in both Foreign and Primary. Click OK. Similarly, add the relationship for other regions, North and South, with the East region. Now, you can see the right values like this in the pivot table. Got it? By creating pivot tables from multiple sheets in Excel, you can consolidate and analyze data from different sources more efficiently and gain valuable insights into your datasets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. And be sure to let us know in the comments if there are any other Excel topics you would like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.